In this video, we'll demonstrate how to purchase Spotify Premium on your iPhone. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to unlock the full potential of Spotify on your iPhone, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Spotify Premium offers numerous benefits, and I'll show you how to purchase it. When you're in the Spotify app, tapping on Premium in the bottom right doesn't provide an option to buy Spotify Premium. So, let me show you how. Firstly, close the Spotify app and open up a browser, such as Safari. Go to Spotify.com. Once on the Spotify website, tap on the three bars in the top right. Then tap on Login. Log into the Spotify account where you want to buy Spotify Premium. After logging in, click on the top right, either the gear or cog icon if you're on the Spotify player, or the three bars if you're on the website. Tap on View Account, and it will take you to your account overview. Scroll down to find the option to join Premium under your plan. Choose the Premium option that suits you: individual, duo, family, or student. I'll select the individual option for this demonstration. Tap Get Started and choose your preferred payment method, whether credit or debit card or PayPal. Enter your payment information and tap Buy Now. Your Spotify Premium is now activated. Head back to the Spotify app, and the Premium option in the bottom right will disappear. And there you have it. You can now take advantage of all the awesome features like downloads, ad-free listening, and more. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you in the next video.